Hello students, now here we are going to discuss the role of microbes in industrial products. Okay, yesterday we have studied about the role of microbes in household products, but here we are going to study the role of microbes in industrial products. So here we have to study like antibiotics, organic acids, and also the fermented beverages. It means how the microbes play an important role in synthesizing these all kind of things. We will have to study today about only these three uh, fermented products. Okay, and rest of fermented products we will study on tomorrow. Clear? So first fermented product, like you can say beverages, how the beverages are synthesized with the help of different microbes. So different beverages, like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum, these all are different form of beverages, and these all things are the fermented products. Okay, and you know that in 11th class you have studied that after the fermentation means this is the anaerobic kind of the respiration. So किसी भी फर्मेंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए क्या होता है, एक रॉ मटेरियल होता है. जैसे मान लिया आपने देखा हो ना, कभी कभी फ्रूट जूस, जैसे आप ग्रेप्स को छोड़ दें तो ग्रेप्स को कुछ दिनों तक रखने के बाद उसमें से अल्कोहल जैसी भी आने लगती है, तो नेचुरल लेवल पर वहाँ फर्मेंटेशन होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो ऐसे ही बड़े बड़े प्लांट्स में लार्ज स्केल पर क्या होता है, फ्रूट जूस को या सीरियल्स को, माल्टेड सीरियल्स को बड़े बड़े वेसल्स में, जिनको हम फर्मेंटर्स बोलते हैं, वहाँ पर ले लेते हैं. एंड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सैक्रोमाइसिस सर्विसाई, यानी कि फर्मेंट जो आपका रॉ मटेरियल है लाइक फ्रूट जूस एंड लाइक माल्टेड सीरियल्स, फर्मेंटर्स में बड़े बड़े वेसल्स में स्टील के उन्होंने ले लिया और उसमें सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरिविसाई लार्ज स्केल पर, इसको हम ब्रेवर ईस्ट भी बोलते हैं, उसमें वहाँ पर ऐड कर दिया जाता है. दिस इज द कॉमन नेम ऑफ सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरिविसाई, द ब्रेवर ईस्ट. ब्रेवर ईस्ट इज द कॉमन नेम ऑफ द सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरिविसाई. तो द रॉ मटेरियल विद सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरिविसाई लेट डाउन and the fermentation, after the fermentation the fermented product has been formed. So these all are the fermented products. Clear? So wine and beer, these are formed or synthesized without distillation, because these fermented products like wine and beer will have low amount of the alcohol. Clear? But whiskey and brandy will have the more amount of alcohol. That's why called distilled fermented product. But wine and beer, these are low alcohol content. That's why these are synthesized without distillation process. जितने भी fermented products हैं, जो भी आपकी fermented beverages industries हैं, वहाँ पर जितनी भी beverages का formation होगा, तो वहाँ पर one thing you must have to take raw material and plus micro. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है कि आप बीवरेज बनाने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल सीरियल्स को या फ्रूट जूस को ले लिया एंड ऐड द सैक्रोमाइसिस सेरिविसाई, लाइक यू कैन से कॉमनली ब्रेवर ईस्ट, एंड लेट देम for the fermentation. Okay, after the fermentation process completed, the product are formed like beverages. Okay, so this is about the fermentation product or beverages industry. Clear? Next thing you have to learn about the antibiotics. So here what happened, now first it is compulsory to know about that what are antibiotics. So antibiotics are those chemicals which inhibit the growth of other microbes, and antibiotics synthesize itself from the microbes. क्या होता है कि antibiotics are always be synthesized from microbes and stop or kill the growth of other disease causing microbes. यानी कि ये microbes से ही बनेंगी और microbes को ही kill करेंगी. लेकिन कौन से microbes को? जो कि disease causing microbes होते हैं, उनको kill करेंगी. Clear? So that's why we can say this is the antibiotic process. Okay, so antibiotic. Now next thing you have to know about that, how did Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic? This is the question. So discovery of antibiotic? This is the first question, and regarding to this topic, that how did penicillin, how did Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin? So you must have to learn that during the discovery, during the searching work of Staphylococcus bacteria, so he find out the other kind of the mold. Okay, when he was studying the Staphylococcus bacteria, so randomly he saw that the growth of Staphylococcus bacteria has been stopped by the growth of other kind of mold, and this mold later was named as Penicillium notatum. क्लियर? जब अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग स्टेप्लोकोकस बैक्टीरिया को स्टडी कर रहे थे, तो उस समय क्या हुआ कि स्टेप्लोकोकस बैक्टीरिया की जो ग्रोथ थी वो अचानक किसी दूसरे मोल्ड के वजह से रुक गई। तो क्या हुआ, उस मोल्ड को उन्होंने पेनिसिलियम नोटेटम बाद में नाम दिया। ठीक, एंड द chemical that was synthesized from the Penicillium notatum was known as penicillin. Clear? Staphylococcus bacteria, during the study of Staphylococcus bacteria, he saw that the growth of Staphylococcus bacteria has been stopped by other kind of mold, and so that mold was named as Penicillium notatum. Clear? So this is about the how the penicillin has been discovered by Alexander Fleming. This is the most important question you must have to learn about here. And next thing you must have to remember, like from the organic acids. Okay, so organic acids, particularly the different organic acids synthesized by specific microbes. Okay, डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स, अलग अलग तरह के ऑर्गेनिक एसिड अलग अलग तरह के माइक्रोब से ही सिंथेसाइज होंगे। सपोज दैट एस्परजाइलस नाइजर विल गिव सिट्रिक एसिड, एंड एस्ट्रोबैक्टर एसटी विल गिव राइज टू द एसिटिक एसिड, एंड क्लोस्ट्रीडियम बोtulinum बैक्टीरिया विल गिव राइज टू द ब्यूट्रिक एसिड, लैक्टोबैसिलस विल गिव राइज टू द लैक्टिक एसिड। ओके, so these all are the name of the different organic acid. Those are synthesized by different microbes. Okay, so you must have to remember, because this is most important question of 1 mark question has been asked from this topic. So you must have to remember the all microbes name and regarding the product of these microbes, like different organic acid names. Okay, so this is all about the industrial products and the role of microbes in industrial product. Okay, so you must have to learn here. Thank you. If you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Thank you.